Palantir stock appears to be correcting within a longer term uptrend. It is around 69% above its 200-day moving average, and yesterday, the 8th of July 2023, it lost 5.28% on above average volume of 143 million shares, and it also disclosed its its outcomes. They were up $0.6 over the same period a year ago, a surprise of a negative 1.96%, and the folks at Morningstar are indicating that they are raising their fair value estimate for the company to $11 from $9 after the firm reported a strong quarter with improved profitability and particularly stronger billings expansion. They also believe, they also highlight earlier on, some weeks ago or some days ago, that they're optimistic about Palantir's opportunities in both the US government and commercial markets. They believe the firm's expertise in artificial intelligence, coupled with its formidable product lineups, makes it a leader in the AI platform space. At the same time, however, despite their estimate being well above a consensus for the next 3 years, they remain unable to rationalize Palantir's current market valuation, with shares trading above $18 per share, or rather around now, as of the close of the last trading session, that's the 8th of July, was at $17. Okay, so below $18 per share, slightly below $18 per share. They view them as overvalued and would advise investors to tread with caution, as they do not believe the firm's valuation is backed by strong fundamentals. Palantir's sales for the second quarter clocked in at $533 million, up 13% year over year, and below their above consensus estimate of $547 million. They are encouraged to see Palantir report stronger forward-looking metrics such as billings. Billings expanded 52% year over year to $603 million. A comparable growth rate for billings was last seen in 2021. Okay, they attribute this strong expansion to increased interest in Palantir's products, jump-started by increased customer interest in AI. Similarly, Palantir's customers' account growth was also robust, with the firm's total customer count growing 38% year over year to 421. Okay, so it's a mix of things. They are saying that Palantir is good, doing well, but they are really concerned about the fundamentals. This growth, this performance they are demonstrating, they have put out there, is not not well plugged. It's not standing on very firm ground. That's what they are indicating. Finally, in summary. But in any case, we have on its daily chart, we have upper projections of all the way towards $24.8. Before that, we have 21.48. Before that, we have 20.28. It has a rejection at roughly $20.03. So there's the further upper projection of 19.37, and then there's also another one, 18.72. We have 18.12. And then just right above where it is now, $17.31. So it retraced, lost 5% in the last trading session. There's a good chance it can rebound, but there's also a good chance it may continue to retrace. We have a downward projection of 16.06, and we have 12.69. So these are possibilities. But let's quickly have a look at the weekly chart. You might see more interesting things there on the weekly chart. Okay, on the weekly chart we have a downward projection. So it seems as if on the weekly chart they agree with the skepticism. Rather, the algos are calculating some caution. It has a downward projection of 14.37 on the monthly chart. Let's see, it's likely to be way ambitious. On the monthly chart, we don't have any calculations there. Palantir, of course, hasn't really been around for a very long time. So we're just going to stick with an upper projection of all the way towards 24.85. But bear in mind, there's also a calculation of a downward projection of 12.64 on the daily chart. On the weekly chart, let's 1 week chart, let's see what downward projection is. On the downward, there's a downward projection of 4.55. that is really harsh. We have 7.25. okay, so let's see what do we have. 11.57 is the closest to that one. The lowest on its daily chart, 11.67, and the one above that is 14.48. So see what you make of all of these concerning PLTR, Palantir stock, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.